Hello, this is Gio. Hey, has this ever happened to you? You have a garbage disposal and you want to turn it on to get rid of some debris, and you switch on the switch and nothing happens at all? Well, don't fret, because it may not be an actual burnt out motor. I'll show you a couple of things you can do before you call that plumber. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get underneath your sink and look at your garbage disposal. Now, commonly on most garbage disposal, there's a reset switch, and you just have to kind of look for it. It's normally on the bottom of the unit itself, and these things tend to break or switch off when something happens. Let's say the garbage disposal gets jammed. But what you want to do first is just reach underneath there, try to find a little button or a red switch, and push it. So this in itself might actually solve your problem, but most likely the reset switch turned off for a reason, and it's probably because your garbage disposal got jammed. So what you want to do next is find an Allen wrench that fits the little wrench hole in the middle of your garbage disposal. Stick it in there and kind of just move it back and forth a little bit until, let's say, the jam kind of gets unstuck. And after you do that, you're ready to retest your garbage disposal. And there you go. If you're lucky, you'll start right up. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.